Hey guys, it's me, Arithia. I'm back at you with another video, and I decided to make a little art tutorial for once. So here I have a few different, example the things, mannequins, I guess. I don't know. And as you can see down there, I am going to show you a few ways to draw skirts. So we have simple, normal, and detailed. I have a little bit of a hard time with detailed sometimes, but, well, I'll explain why later. Now then, let's get down to it. Also, be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy any of this and want to see more. And check out my other stuff as well. Got a bunch of other videos. So let's get down to it. Alright, so here is the simple one. So I might have a little bit of trouble with this, but eh. So just make sure that you have like a little bit of a curve to it. Like you can do whatever you want with sorry. So make sure you have like a little bit of a curve down at like this lower part of the skirt. Like with these, you could do whatever you want with them. Like, well, I don't know. They could be a little different too. Like maybe they could be a little bit more poofy, but like make sure you still have like a little bit of a curve depending on like what you're doing. Because like if it's like the character is tilted forward, this curve is going to go downward. But if the character is like tilted kind of back, then this part will be up, and there will be a backside that is kind of more downward, like this. See? So yeah, let me just unlock this so that I can erase it. Which I also like to sometimes do like clothes on a separate layer so I can erase the layer beneath it. You know, like that. Alright, that is a very simple skirt. So I'm just gonna keep honestly I'll just delete the poofy one since I'd rather just have one that's a bit more like calm. Oh whoops. And there you go. Simple skirt. And you can add whatever you want to it, like say a little belt. Whatever. Just go for shape. So now we have the normal one. So let's do that real quick. And this one's going to be kind of like the simple one, but with a few more details to it. So let's make this one kind of like that. So the trick to this one is that you're going to have multiple curves down here. Like this one and let's say this one. So let's make them just a little higher up. So then you're going to connect the curves kind of up there and make sure that the outer part always goes up to about the hip or wherever you want it to be. So yeah, now you have that simple skirt. So you can still follow like the same rules like with how like the tilting is, but it's going to be a little bit more difficult because it can either have, well, let's see. Here, I'll make another one so I can show you guys. So you're going to have a bit more of like a curve down here, especially if it's like a flowing one, but if it's not, then you're going to have more like a zigzag thing. So yeah, it's going to be more like that. And you can still have it like curving around here, but if you still want like that little bit, then you can still do it, which this is kind of what I have a hard time with because I'm not very good with the perspective of this. So yeah, you have that. Well, let's just stick with that one. Which by the way, you can add more to this if like you want like a little bit more. So you can do something like, Well, something kind of like this, like with the sides, to like make it just a little bit more floofy and a little bit more detailed. And lastly, the detailed skirt. So this one's going to be a little bit more difficult. So this one tries to focus more on like actually having more like lines to it. So let's try to have a few lines. Here, let me just shorten these a little bit. So what you're going to do for this one is pick a direction that you want it to be, or that you want it to be going, I guess. And just do something like this. Have it be like at the edge here, drag a line over to just up on the other line. Which, by the way, you can do this backwards. So you can do it like, here, I'll give you two examples. So firstly, you have this one where it goes from the top just sort of like a bit higher up on the other line. Which I guess you need like the next line to be just a little bit longer. I always have a hard time with that. So you can have something like that, which doesn't really look too good. So I'm probably gonna have to erase that and make the line just a little bit closer. Maybe we'll make two. Actually, let me try that again. Hold on. So yeah, you have that. Or you can do it backwards. Like you could have this one going over here, which it's going to be a little bit more difficult because, or at least like with something like this, because you're going to have like a bit more of like an outer part of it so it looks like it's like looping over. You know, like that. There you go. Now we have a few different kinds of skirts. So I think I might just use that one. Even though it's a little bit more wobbly, I'll just use that one. And like the other one, I'll try to do one that is a bit more like outward. So I have a little bit of trouble with this part because like I'm not very good with like the directions of like the like little parts underneath, like this one, because I always seem to do it backwards or have them all like going the same direction when in fact they should be going like all the way around. So yeah, for this one you're gonna need to remember that little hook thing. So have it go like that, and whoops. So the trick to this one is like trying to draw them like ocean waves, which although they're poorly drawn in this one, I'm not really going that much for quality. So yeah, something like that. Whoops. Let me try to get just one more little frill over here. Or floof, or whatever it is. And then loop it around. So yeah, and lastly, some details. So let's have these get up a little bit. Or like draw some like lines up there a little bit. So yeah, something like that. I think I just overlaid it a little too much. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, or anybody that's interested in drawing and stuff. And if it was, then I'll try to make some other tutorials, I guess. I'm not really the best teacher, so sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys like are able to, draw skirts and stuff now. Here, let me. Sorry, this is just bothering me a little bit. And there you go. So now we have simple skirt, normal skirt, and detailed skirt. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and hope you guys learned something. I think I've already said that like twice. And I'll see you guys later. Don't get sick. Have a good day. And month and year and all that fun stuff. And, well, I'll see you guys later. Bye!